Being able to set up a part and walking away and have an operator do multiple things, other things could be packing, setting up another machine, because having a single station, you're just dedicated to that. With 4 stations, we can run multiple jobs in there and walk away from it for a while. Right now, with the pallet pool, have 4 jobs that we run most of the time. So if we have the material cut, he could be running that job, running all 4 jobs that are pieces, 1,000-piece orders. So if they're running on 20 pieces on one setup, and it'll turn around, run 20 on another or a different kind, and it just keeps jobs flowing. As before, we're running single station in a machine, we might be able to run 3 vices, but my guys have to be there every few minutes to change out parts. If we can have guys do other jobs, it's a big time saver. My name is John Schaefer. I own Advanced Custom Metals in Des Plaines, Illinois, and I started in 2002. Once I started getting the Haas CNC machinery in here, customers would come in here. They were like, oh my God, we didn't know you had CNC equipment. And Haas is a pretty well-known name. So bringing these machines, especially the newer ones in here, it opens up eyes and people get excited to see that stuff. The VF4 is running a bigger part right now. It's a part for the refuse industry that this part is a little bit more involved, and they call out a lot more tolerancing. The mill finish on the material has to be a certain finish. They have to spend a little bit more time with. It's not a high production part. We probably run maybe 50 a year, 25 right hand, 25 left hand, but there is a little bit more involved with it. Haas was in my son's high school. Haas is in junior colleges, and they're all learning this. My son came in from a whole year of school, and he knew where the buttons were and what to do. And another employee of mine that is going back for a senior year at junior college, he comes in and he knows where everything's at. He figures it out. He's changing speeds because he just knows it. Haas is really helping, sending machines to schools, I see, getting kids out there to really want to learn this stuff, and it's great. And I'm going to utilize that. I love Haas. I think it's a great product. I love their service. Rudy's a great guy, great salesman. I don't think I have any excuse to buy another machine. I would stick with Haas. They're great. If I have any issues, they're right down the street from me, and I know who to call.